welcome back to my channel. It's me, Irvin, with another unboxing video, LootAnime. This is so late. This is going to be the last LootAnime box that I unboxed for you guys. I probably won't do any more boxes this year. Might do one in December. I believe I'm going to go back to Akibento or try out the Otaku box. But for the next 3 months, September, October, November, I will not do any unboxing videos. I actually haven't done one since, when was it, July, June? This box is from July. At least I paid for it early July. And it's September the 8th right now. This is literally 5 minutes since I got the box. So that's how late LootAnime has taken to give me my box. Now, they did told me in early August, hey, by the way, your box won't get there until sometime in September. But this shouldn't happen. And this happened to every single box that I ordered through LootAnime. I thought it was maybe because I was a new customer. Then I thought maybe because I was just, one of too many. But the fact that this box is so late, I don't even know if other people have gotten this box yet. But for me, it is the last. At least for me, that's the last straw. The price with Akibento, they're the same. Quality of stuff, Akibento has been doing pretty good this year, better than last year at least. So they're about the same quality of items. Other than this one promises you a manga every single time, there's not really much of a difference between this one and Akibento. The only difference that I see is that Akibento never in the maybe 14, 15 months that I was with them, never were late with their boxes. They were always on time. They always gave me my box, and I was always happy with their support. So, canceled already my subscription. I don't recommend you guys to get LootAnime, but I'm going to show you the items that I got in this box. Okay. Well, the box itself is going to be Attack on Titan themed. So I showed you guys last time, if you undo the box, you have this whole thing. This is on season 2. You can barely even read it. You might not even see it on camera, but right there it says season 2, Attack on Titan. Okay, so the first thing that I get, this is actually pretty cool, is a, nice, this is actually real nice, is a My Hero Academia or Boku no Hero Academia water bottle, and there it is. That's actually real nice of a water bottle. Might use this actually. Then is this is actually really interesting. Here is Bungo Stray Dogs, I guess the LootAnime limited edition cover. The first volume, I believe I already reviewed this one for you guys. But this is actually one that I might start collecting. I am watching currently this one, and next week I will be releasing my first impression video on this anime, or the anime of this manga. So there's the manga. Let me show you a little bit of the pages there. It's real nice. LootAnime does do their own covers. Let me see if I can look for you guys the how it looks. Yeah, there it is. This is how it originally looks like, right there. And this is the cover of LootAnime. So original and LootAnime. So now I have 2 of them. Cool. I don't know why I need 2 of them, other than to show off that I have 2 of them. Okay, so the shirt is this gray. I'll give them that. I like the fact that they do good shirts too. But Akibento does the same thing. A Black Lagoon, that's actually nice. Real classic anime. I like that shirt actually. I like the gray colorish. This No Game No Life cover pin. I feel like I have this one. No, I guess I have a pin. Sorry, my pins are over here. I have a pin that looks like the first, like this one, the first cover of the manga, but it's circle. It's not squared like this one, and I think that was through Akibento. So there's your LootAnime, No Game No Live, the first one. And then you have this letter that I'm going to read for you guys saying, "Hi Looter, due to an unforeseen delay, we need a little more time to send you your Attack on Titan t-shirt that was supposed to be in this crate. We apologize for the delay, but we'll be shipping it separately in September." Okay, it's September, so we'll get here in October. I don't know. If you have any questions or concerns, our friendly customer support team will be happy to assist you. So I'm going to get a second shirt from this shirt. I'm going to guess, and I don't know if I will, but when I do, I will do a video of why I don't like LootAnime. But according to this letter that you can probably see there now, now that it's focused, saying that the box was supposed to come with an Attack on Titan shirt. It didn't come with it. It's supposed to come separately in September. It is September, so I don't know when I will get that bag shirt. Okay, so the poster, obviously, I can tell by now it's Attack on Titan theme. So there's the poster of that. So I will get a second shirt, which will be the Attack on Titan shirt. There's the items. So actually, these items were not so great. I mean, I got the pin. Pins come and everything. I got the manga. That's fine. And 2 shirts. So I'm gonna eventually get 2 shirts. I haven't gotten my second shirt yet. And then a poster. I mean, I don't know. I'm very unhappy with LootAnime, and I'm not even going to reach out to them and send them an email. If they watch this video, great. If they don't, I mean, I'm not the customer anymore. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will eventually throw out a video to you guys on my thoughts more in detail of between Akibento and LootAnime in the past, maybe now, or actually almost 2 years. I've been buying Akibento and LootAnime, and I've been going back and forth. Akibento made some changes in the beginning of this year, so I decided to go with LootAnime, and I will be giving all those details of what are my thoughts on these companies, and I'll let you guys know on the next video that you guys will see of LootAnime. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that so much. If you guys want to be even further supportive to my channel and all my other social media like Instagram, Facebook, you guys can now become a Patreon, and I'll have the information down below there in the description below. So if you want to do that, you can do that now. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and like always,